Happy morning, all of you. Welcome to Sri Ganesh Online Education Series. Today, we are going to learn Homo sapiens from chapter number 5, Evolution of Mankind. Yesterday, we have learned about Homo neanderthalensis or Homo neanderthal man. Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthal man. Okay. Now Homo sapiens. Open your books, page number 21. I will read it, and while reading I am going to explain you. Okay. So put your index finger on the line. See, Homo sapiens, the human species that was more intelligent than any of the elder species, was named Homo sapiens. So see, Homo sapiens, human species that was more intelligent. Homo sapiens were more intelligent than any of the earlier species, was named Homo sapiens. Earlier means now. Those intellectual species are called Homo sapiens. Here definition is given. The human species that was more intelligent than any of the earlier species was named Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon man. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon man. Their remains have been found in the continents of Europe, and their remains found in the continent of Europe. Where? Europe. See, in Europe, Asia and Africa. Where it was found? In the continent of Europe, Asia and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit the task they need to do. See, Homo sapiens, they made different tools, and which are suitable as per the task they need to do. They used to make stone blades. What they used to make? Stone blades, and fix them in grooves and notches made in the wood or bones handle. Means those stone blades. For example, this stone blade they are made. Like this stone blade they are made. So they fix it in the wood, like these wood hatches, and they used to tie it. They used to fix and tie it. Sometimes they were using woods, and sometimes they were using animals' bones. Okay. See, Homo sapiens had evolved to the stage of having a fully developed larynx, which could produce a range of sound with subtle differences. See, if you want to see Homo sapiens picture, you can see on the screen Homo sapien, and see what he evolved. Evolved means develop. What he developed? The stage of having a fully developed larynx. Larynx means a vocal muscular area, which contains air. Here we can speak because of our vocal sound. So we develop larynx that we were studying. which could produce a range of sound. Here develops vocal was there. So because of that, we could produce a range of sound with subtle differences. So making some difference, he was able to make, or he was able to produce some sounds. Their jaws and muscles inside the mouth. Jaw, this one is our jaw. Jaw and muscles inside the mouth were well developed. And the tongue was flexible. And their tongue was flexible. Tongue, it was flexible. Hence, Homo sapiens could use them to produce a variety of sound. So, with the help of his jaw, muscles, tongue, and his larynx, he was able to produce different voice and different sounds, and modulate his voice the way he liked, and modulate his voice the way he liked. As he liked, he was modulating, means he was giving it a shape, or he was giving it a type. Okay. Using his imagination, he could give names to the different things he saw. With the help of imagination, he was giving names to things, and could put his thoughts and feelings into words. And he was trying to put his thoughts about the particular thing in words. Using these words, he could speak and communicate. And using these words, he could speak and communicate. Communicate means talk with each other. In short, he had a well-developed language system. In short, he had well-developed language system than previous ones. He could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. He was able to draw pictures also as per his imagination. See, on the screen you can see a cave painting, which is done by Homo sapiens. Have you seen it? Okay, see. Even began to make artistic objects. That is why he has been named Homo sapiens. That is intelligent man or thinking man. He was thinking. So intelligent man or thinking man means Homo sapiens. Understood? So today again you are going to read this paragraph 2 times. You have to find out at least 10 hard words. You can find out more also. And those 10 hard words with spelling you are going to learn, and you are going to copy it thrice in your notebook. Okay. Tomorrow we will see next point, Homo sapiens, sapien and civilization. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same chapter. Thank you very much.